Hello, my dear students. How are you? Hope you all are safe and taking the benefits of e-learning during this pandemic. It feels great to get connected with all of you. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. This is Asmita here and I will be teaching you computer. So today we are starting our IT syllabus, but before that, have a look on your book. Students, the book which we have prescribed for class 9th computer is Click to Learn Computer Applications. Students, I hope you all will be having your book. If you don't have, please get it soon. Children, first have a look on the contents of this chapter. This chapter gives you the knowledge of different topics. Our first topic is what is a computer. Second, working of the computer system. Third is characteristics of computers. Next is limitations of computers, and the last, applications of computers. So let's begin with chapter 1, computer system. Children, I want to ask you one question. Do you know that computer word is an acronym? How many of you know this? So let's start with the word computer. What is it? So the full form of computer is C stands for commonly, O stands for operated or can be oriented, M stands for machine, P stands for purposely or particularly, U stands for used, T stands for technological, technical or it can be trade, E stands for educational, R stands for research. So this whole word computer, it is an acronym. The word computer, it is derived from a Latin word computare, which means to compute or count. So the word computer can be used for any device that can perform calculations, but a computer is not just used to perform calculations, as it has the capability to process various types of data with 100% accuracy. So let's start our first topic. What is a computer? Students, I would like to tell you about definitions of computer. Computer is an advanced electronic device or machine which takes some input or instructions from the user and then performs arithmetic and logical operations. After processing operations, it gives you output in the form of result. So a computer is also called a data processor. The reason is it is doing the processing on the input because it can store, process and retrieve data whenever desired. Here is a diagram given. You can see the diagram clearly that we are providing some input that is in the form of data and then it goes to a processor, that is CPU, central processing unit, and that CPU is also connected with storage area. Then it will give you the result as an output. So it is basically works on the principle of IPO, that stands for input, process and output. Children, our next topic is working of the computer system. As we know that computer works in the IPO cycle to convert the raw data into useful information. It has mainly 4 functions to perform. First one is input, second processing, third is output, and the last is storage. Input means computer accepts data and instructions. Processing means it manipulates data as per instruction, means as you will give instruction, it will manipulate data. It will work on that instructions. Next is output. It means it produces desired output or information, means as you give instruction on that it will work, it will process, and then on the basis of that only it will give you information, it will give you output. And the last is storage. It stores data, instructions and information. The basic structure of the computer system consists of various components to perform these operations, means input, processing, output, storage. Children, you can see in this figure, during the first stage, it reads the data and instructions using input device and stores these into the main memory of the system, which is processed by ALU, arithmetic logic unit, during the second stage. The results produced by the ALU are stored back into the memory unit. During the third stage, results are received on the output unit. The data flow in the computer system is controlled by the CU, control unit, with the help of control signals sent by it to the various components of the computer system. A computer also has a storage device to store data and instructions.